Welcome to this foundational overview of microbiology, the scientific discipline dedicated to studying the world of microorganisms. These microscopic entities, though invisible to the naked eye, are fundamental to the functioning of our planet. Understanding them is critical, as they are inextricably linked to human health, environmental stability, and industrial innovation. Microbiology is the study of organisms too small to be seen without a microscope. These microbes are ubiquitous, inhabiting soil, water, and air, and living within and on other organisms, including humans. They exist in almost every environment on Earth, playing roles that are often unseen but absolutely vital. The first major category is bacteria, which are single-celled prokaryotic organisms. While some bacteria are pathogenic, meaning they cause illnesses like strep throat or food poisoning, the vast majority are harmless or even beneficial. They are defined by their lack of a nucleus and their ability to survive independently. For example, the bacteria found in the human gut are essential for digestion and the development of a healthy immune system. These beneficial microbes help break down complex carbohydrates and produce vitamins that our bodies can't make on their own, illustrating the positive side of our relationship with bacteria. Second, we have viruses. Unlike bacteria, viruses are not cells. They are infectious agents consisting of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, packaged inside a protective protein coat. Because they lack the machinery to reproduce on their own, they are classified as obligate intracellular parasites that must invade hosts. Viruses can only replicate by invading a host cell and hijacking its biological processes. Examples of viral pathogens range from the common cold virus to more complex and devastating pathogens like HIV. Their unique structure makes them a significant challenge for medical science, requiring specific antiviral treatments and vaccines. The third group is fungi, which includes eukaryotic organisms like yeasts and molds. Fungi play a vital role as decomposers in our ecosystems, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the soil. Without fungi, the planet would be overwhelmed by dead organic material, stalling the cycle of life. In industry, fungi are used for fermentation to produce bread and are the source of critical antibiotics like penicillin. However, the relationship is complex, as some fungi can cause infections in humans, ranging from minor skin conditions to serious systemic diseases, highlighting their dual role in human health and industry. Fourth, we examine parasites. This is a broad category of organisms that live on or in a host, deriving nutrients at the host's expense. This group includes protozoa, like the Plasmodium parasite that causes malaria, and helminths, which are parasitic worms that can inhabit the human digestive tract. This diversity leads to the dual nature of microbes. Many are essential for life, forming the foundation of food webs and driving global nutrient cycles. They are the invisible engineers of our environment, ensuring that oxygen is produced and that waste is converted into usable energy for other organisms. In the field of biotechnology, microbes are engineered to produce life-saving pharmaceuticals and sustainable biofuels. By harnessing their natural metabolic processes, scientists can create complex molecules that would be impossible to synthesize otherwise, driving innovation in medicine and energy production to meet the needs of a growing population. Conversely, pathogenic microbes are a primary cause of global disease. The study of how these pathogens cause infection is central to developing effective treatments and control measures. This knowledge directly informs principles of disease prevention, from simple hygiene practices like hand washing to complex public health strategies and vaccine development. Furthermore, understanding the interaction between microbes and our bodies is the basis of immunology, which is the study of the immune system's response to infection. By learning how our bodies recognize and fight off microscopic invaders, we can develop better therapies to support our natural defenses and prevent illness. In summary, microbiology explores a vast microscopic world where bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites exhibit a profound duality. They act as both essential life-sustaining agents and potent pathogens. Understanding their characteristics is fundamental to advancing modern medicine, ensuring public health, and harnessing their capabilities for future technological innovation.